Chester Zoo is known for its tropical rainforest exhibit, but late one night the lights inside started turning on by themselves, and you won't believe who's behind it all. In 2022, during a heavy storm, the power across the zoo flickered. When the systems rebooted, the rainforest dome lit up, even though the generators weren't online. Security checked the monitors, and through the fogged glass, they saw flashes of light moving inside, like torches swinging in the dark. 2 keepers were sent to investigate. They found the main doors unlocked, humid air pouring out into the rain. Inside, the lights flickered again, revealing shadows moving through the trees, too tall to be human, too still to be alive. One keeper called for backup, but his radio cut off mid-sentence. When the second turned around, the walkway was empty, only his partner's torch lying on the ground, beam aimed into the mist. When the cameras were reviewed the next morning, the lights inside the dome flickered in a pattern, a perfect Morse code for SOS. They traced the signal to an old electrical line buried beneath the exhibit, a section sealed off years ago after a flood. No one had been down there since. A week later, engineers sent a drone through the maintenance tunnel under the dome. Halfway in, its sensors picked up heat signatures, one large, one small, standing motionless in the dark. The feed began to distort, and before it cut out completely, the camera caught a reflection on the wet wall, a face staring back at it, eyes open but not blinking.